No, just chill. Just be yourself. All right, everybody. This is a little bit different video than I typically do. I wanted to show off my brother's business here, Better Days Barbecue in Smyrna, Tennessee. Check it out if you're in the area. Definitely will not regret it. Some good stuff. I'm just gonna talk about what's going on. I'm in Tennessee for Thanksgiving, visiting family. All of us, the whole family, are actually able to get together all at once. I have members of my family who are in the military, and it can be rather difficult for us to find the time to all actually be in the same place at the same time, and this is the first year in many years that we've been able to do that. Anyways, so yeah, this is my brother's barbecue shop. Nice little joint here in town. Yep, that's my brother back there. Say hello. He's ignoring. What's up? Got several members of his family here helping out in the shop. I'm not going to go back there because they're doing work and I don't want to get in their way, and I told them I wouldn't get in their way. Anyhow, yeah, this is probably going to be a very, very short one, but let me just tell you what I like. So, menu is pretty straightforward. I highly recommend, basically, okay, first and foremost, this is my opinion, others have different opinions. You gotta check out his chicken wings. They're smoked. I hate chicken wings. I don't like them at all. These are amazing. They just literally fall off the bone. So they're not spicy or anything like that. They're just smoked chicken wings. And they have this ranch dressing, sorry, can't speak. They got this ranch dressing they make here. And I don't know what's in it, but it's really freaking good. It's not like normal ranch dressing. So definitely get the wings with the ranch dressing. And the other thing that's good, look at that. Hold on.
Chicken nachos.
Yeah, so I call those redneck nachos. But yeah, so basically get the nacho platter right up there. And you can get it with chicken or pulled pork or whatever, brisket. So you can get brisket nachos, just imagine that. Those of you who know, you know how good that is. Those of you who don't know, you need to find out.
Fridays and Saturdays during the fall, we do smoked brisket chili. It's amazing.
Yeah, see, there you go. All right, so definitely check it out. They got great banana pudding, although unfortunately, they don't have any right now while I'm here. So really good banana pudding. And that's one of the, if you don't know, one of the best ways to judge a barbecue shop is the banana pudding. The barbecue, you know, you come for the barbecue, you stay for the banana pudding. So if you're ever at a barbecue restaurant and you want to know how really good they are, ask for the banana pudding and grab some of that. The other thing that is an invention of my nephew is a stuff called grape-o-lean. And if you want to taste a bit of heaven, get some of that stuff right there. It is amazing. I don't know how to describe it, except that your brain can't figure out what's going on. It's just so good. Oh yeah, here's a good shot of the brisket. Oh yeah, some lucky customer's getting that. So anyhow, that's really all I got, you guys. For those of you who are in the US and celebrate it, happy Thanksgiving. And anything you want to say, man?
Have a better day.
There you go. That's it. All right, until next time, y'all. Peace out and keep it between the ditches. Happy Thanksgiving.